quickly talk about how to zip files for our assignments. It is important in SolidWorks, especially because you need all the little individual files that make up the assignment submitted to me, or I will not be able to open them. So basically what I want you to do is I want you to zip the files together, and you're going to name them in the way that I've put through the syllabus. So let's start and just do a couple of these. This is my working directory of stuff that I worked on in SolidWorks. I've given, these are my normal names that I have descriptive. So let's say that I have to submit my virtual assignment, and this flange with the associated drawing are the two files that I would need for virtual assignment 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight those two files. I'm going to right click on them. Now, you will not have this stuff with the little books here. This is something that I've got in the computer, so just ignore that. You want to go to Send To, Compressed or Zipped Folder, and then it will pop up the name where it says flange, because that's what it set it to originally. And so then what you're going to do is you'll do your last name. So in my case, it'll be camp. This is virtual assignments 4, so VA4.zip, and then we have a zip file. Now what you will see is you will see a little folder with the zip icon. Oh, where? No, I can't show it to you here. So Send To. You will see this little folder with the zipper on it. You see the stack of books because I have a different program installed, but it does the same thing. And so there we go. There is my zip folder. So let's say that this would be problem 1.1, one of your basic assignments. You'd go Send To Compressed Folder, and then you would name it camp_1_1, so that way I know it's problem 1.1. It should automatically just throw the zip in. You won't need to actually type that in because you're sending it to a zip file, so that's unnecessary. Okay, so like problem 1.2 actually has 4 parts, and so you would do the same thing, highlight all of those, Send To Compressed Folder, and then you would name this camp_1_2. And so these are your basic assignment for chapter 1. And actually here's the third one, so we'll get that there too. So we're going to go to Send To Compressed Folder, camp_1_3. So when you go to submit your first basic assignment, you're going to submit those 3 zip files. If you do not have 3 separate zip files, you will not get credit for your virtual assignments. You need to put these together in this way so I can grab onto them. And just for completeness sake, let's do this one here, which would be the virtual assignment. Send to a compressed folder, not virtual, an advanced assignment. So camp_1_5. And so you would do that, and you would actually grab 1.4 also, which I don't have on here, and you would submit those two zip files as your advanced assignment submissions. So this is the way that we're going to zip and name files for submission for your homework and your virtual assignments. And we need to do them this way because otherwise I will not give you credit for them. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will see you guys in a later video.